Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Hey sis, welcome. Okay, welcome. Come on in, sis. Sit down, grab you a drink. I wish I had one, but I said if I drank before I did this video, it would have never got filmed. But that's neither here nor there. But today is February 13th, so as you can see, I'm festive. I'm also in the house, so that's tea. You know, I said, you know what, put you on a little face. And I did put you on a little outfit, get cute, make yourself feel good, okay? And that's what I did. I put on my perfume, I put me on an outfit, put me on a face, because I'm single and I don't have a Valentine. But I bought myself a gift. She bought herself a nice gift too, okay? Take note, future boo. But yeah, today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoire, honey. I wanted it for a while. Baby, when I tell you I stalked Louis Vuitton's website for this bag because I went into so many stores. Every time I went into a store, it was out of stock. They didn't have it. Then I'm on so many waiting lists for this bag, baby, and I have yet to receive a call. In my essays, I pressed my essays, okay, like, hey sis, did y'all get it? You know, just checking in. Nothing. So I finally got it after stalking the website, baby, and it just so happened randomly that I was just like, you know what, I want this bag. And I low-key feel like I manifested it, kind of, sort of, a little bit. I think I did though. I think I did, because I kept saying I want this bag. This is such a cute, like, date night bag, although I'm not going on any dates, but that's neither here nor there. But I wanted this bag so bad. So yeah, I finally got it. I bought it online and I picked it up in store. I would have gotten it shipped to me, but I'm very wary about shipping designer items to my house. T, if you know, you know. But yeah, I'm kind of wary about shipping designer items to my house, so I just opted to pick it up in store, which is perfectly fine. And I got a bag, because typically with all of my pieces, I mean, they do have, it is signature required, but I don't know, I just would rather pick it up in the store. So that's what I did with baby girl, and I picked up in store. So yeah, she comes in the traditional Louis Vuitton box. I mean, you knew that. And then inside of my box, and I love packaging, okay? I am a girl. When I tell you I'm a package girl, give me a package. Girl, give me a ribbon, okay? Give me a ribbon, give me some confetti, give me wrapping paper, treat me good, okay? I am 100% a package girl. I love good packaging. So yeah. So here is the box. Isn't she so pretty? She's so pretty. And don't mind my nails, we're still in the middle of a pandemic, sis. Mind your own business, okay? But yes, she's so pretty. Thumbnail. But yes, sis, this is the box. This is Madam herself, honey. The box she comes in, the bag she comes in. I'll set her off to the side. And the bag, what's in the bag? I think it's just my receipt. Yeah. Just two things, that's it. So I guess I'll set that off to the back for aesthetic. Can y'all see my little cancel? I'm a clown. But in the bag, it comes with this. I'm assuming, yeah, this is the little card if I wrote myself a note. Typically, I do give myself personalized notes. And for some reason, I feel like I gave myself a personalized note. Inhale, exhale. I feel like I gave myself a note, but I can't get it out. So I guess it's not meant to be. Like, I promise you, I'm trying to get it out, and I can't. Like, this is where the personalized note goes, and it's the little envelope, because I've purchased Louis Vuitton items before, and it's the little envelope, and it slides out, but I promise you, I cannot get this envelope out. So I'm sure I wrote myself a note, and I just can't get it, but oh well, one day. So the box, what I think is the personalized note, and this is my receipt booklet. And it just has my receipt in it. Thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. Da 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 da. Receipt. If I want to do an exchange. Yeah, just info on the bag and on Louis Vuitton. My receipt. Yeah, Pochette Accessoire. I don't remember. Y'all, it's been so long. I've had this bag for almost a month now because I bought it for my Valentine's Day gift to myself. But I've had it for a while and I just said I'm not going to open it until Valentine's Day because I want to take myself out. At first I was going to take myself out and, like, you know, get real cute and go sit at the bar and just, you know, give the girls a little look. But then I was like, no, because it's going to be too much lovey-dovey and I'm single. I feel like I was going to be giving hater vibes at the bar, single, lonely. No. So I decided to just stay home, talk to y'all, and film me a video. But yeah. So it just comes with the little stuff in the pamphlet. And then my baby. I'm so excited. I have not seen her in so long. And so long, girl. It's been so long. But let's get into her, okay? I'm drama, okay? Drama. All right, come on, y'all. Let's get into her. It's the ribbon for me, honey. Really, I didn't have to take the ribbon off. I could have just slid it around, but whatever. Child, I can't see the damn ribbon to take the ribbon off. Lord. My nails aren't done, so it's kind of hard to do anything in life without my ratchet nails. Okay, ribbon off. Yes, mamas. Oh, my why did she give me my essay? Listen, my essay be like, baby, you're not gonna forget me. I'm gonna give you a business card every time you purchase. My essay does not play. Get with her. So I'ma just tuck her back to the side. Yeah, she comes in a box. Oh, she comes in a box. No, would she come in a suitcase? What? A trash bag? A Walmart bag? Duh. She comes in a Louis Vuitton box. Obviously, sis. It's the Louis Vuitton bag. Girl, I'm trying to get the aesthetic. Look, I'm trying to get the aesthetic cute in the background, okay? Period. It's the Virgo energy for me. I'm not a Virgo, but it's the Virgo energy for me. I am not going to tell you what my sign is, actually. But I give off big Virgo energy with, like, my organizing and all that. But y'all will see in upcoming videos, she gives off big Virgo energy. But anyways, Ayanna, back to the bag. Okay, sis? ADD, real. But yes, my little dust bag. She's so pretty. Baby. Look at her. Just look at her. Baby. Okay? Yeah. She's that girl. She's that girl. Okay? But this is like a perfect, like, everyday bag. I feel like I can wear her with any and everything. She is the Pochette Accessoire. And she just, oh, I'm so happy, y'all. She just had a price increase. Say I maybe paid something, $6 something for this. I want to say I paid $6 something for this. And now she is at $7. The last time I checked the site, she was at $730, I think. I think she was at like $730, but yeah. I got her before the price increase and I'm so happy because I love her, but is she worth $700? She is. I'm not even about to cap. She worth it. But yeah, I can't wait to wear her out. And I want to get, tell me what y'all think, but I want to get a Twilly I want to get a twilly, and I want, because this exposed, I know this is going to turn, and I know, you know, that's what they're known for, but I don't really want it to turn. So I want to get a twilly and wrap it around, and then, you know, like tie it in a bow or something. So tell me what you guys think. Do you guys think that would be tacky? Just like a basic, you know, just like a basic LV twilly. I could get a color, but I think just like the basic black and brown one. Black, brown, and gold, I think it is, yeah. But yeah, here she is. Miss Pochette Accessoire. But yes, here's Miss Mama's. Cute little, you know, shoulder every day. Throw her on with anything. Go out to eat with her. You can dress her up, dress her down. Put her over the shoulder. The crook of your arm. She's just that girl. She's definitely that girl. And I love her. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I didn't ramble too much because I feel like I low-key did. My bad, Pooh. But yeah, I love her, and I'll include some, I guess, some shots of it on. But yeah, I'm very happy. I am a happy camper. Okay, Pooh? Period. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, hopefully you'll come back for my next one. If I film another one, we shall see. So thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, sis. I'ma see you on my next video, right? Okay, I'ma see you on my next video, right, sis? Oh, okay. Bye, girl. Bye, y'all.